Wait. Hey, what's up? Welcome to another vlog. If this is your first time landing on this channel, my name is Rachel and I make vlogs sometimes. I also make makeup videos and soon I'll be making travel videos as well. So for this week's vlog, I didn't get much done. It was a low energy week, which is okay. It happens. I mean, that's life. So I just went to Ikea and got some things that I'm going to show you later. Tried out some new food, some new dessert to be more precise. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy this vlog. What's up? I don't know where we're at with this vlog, but so far we've gone to Ikea. That was yesterday. I'm actually going to show you what I bought because I realized I didn't do that yet. And today is Thursday. I just got off from work, took a shower, and now I want to eat, although it's a bit early. It's about 6 p.m. but I'm really hungry, so I'm about to have dinner. I'm having this quiche with spinach that I made. It's not the fluffiest quiche I've ever made, but I mean, it's tasty and it's nice and it's healthy because it's got spinach in it, so that's good. I also got myself a dessert from the bakery. I've never tried this before, and I was feeling kind of low energy as I was coming from work, so I thought I'd get a dessert. Let me open this so I can show you. It's called Le Filou. I'm gonna write the name right here. It's called Le Filou, and I just got it from the bakery next to my place. And this is what it looks like. It looks chocolatey, topped with this walnut and a few berries. Again, I've never tried this before, so I'll tell you if it's worth it or not. This was about €3.80 for anyone who cares. I also got this package from Vinted that we're going to open together. If you've watched my last vlog, you've seen that I shop quite often on Vinted. This time, this must be like one of those banana bags. They're called bum bags. Anyway, let me open this with you and I'll show you because I've never owned one, so I thought I'd get one. I'm really glad I got this bag. I got this for, I think, €5 or €4. That's excluding the shipping price, of course, but I'd say that this is a really nice find. I like this khaki color. I didn't want one in black because I think black would have been a bit too basic, but I wanted something that would kind of blend with all the colorful outfits that I'm going to wear during the summer, during the hot months, when I'm traveling, when I'm hopping on and off the metro. Just basically something that would leave me hands-free. It's always nice to buy pre-loved items just to try and combat fast fashion in one way or the other. Wait a minute, this part of the video is for my single people like me. Make quiches for yourself. I mean, this is the easiest, best meal you could ever make for one person, because one quiche is more than enough to last you like 2 meals. Well, for me it's like 4 meals because I just divide it into quarters and have a quarter per meal. Like I had 1 quarter in the afternoon today and I'm having one right now, but they're so good. So let's dig into this dessert that I got earlier. Looks really good. I've never tried this. I don't even know what the filling is, and I didn't even think to ask the lady at the bakery because there were so many people waiting in line behind me, and when that happens, especially at the boulangerie, because it moves so fast, I always get just a bit nervous, and I try to like make my order really fast and blah blah blah. All that to say, I don't know what's waiting for me inside here, so let's see. Oh man, it's just chocolate. I was hoping there was some like cream and caramel, because that's the vibe I got from everything, but let me try it anyway. I don't like this so much. It's kind of disappointing because it's just plain chocolate cake, but it's just nicely decorated, that's all. This is not the best thing that I've ever tried, but I mean, it's nice and it helps my craving for I was craving something really sweet and really like gourmand, you know, so disappointed. Let's talk about what I got from Ikea. I got 3 of these cubes that open up to look like this, and I'm going to put them in one of my shelves that I already have. I'm going to replace some of the black ones with this straw colored ones, and I think it's gonna look good. So I got 3 of those. You just have to kind of like unfold them, push this down. They're kind of ready to go, not much assembly needed there. Got more towels, kitchen things, more kitchen things, that's all. That's where I was replacing them, and I only now realized that I got 3 instead of 4. So I'll have to go back for the 4th one at the bottom there to complete the setup. So I'm going to end the vlog here with a quick outfit of the day. I'm wearing this t-shirt from Zara, this trench from Zara. Let me give you my jeans that I love so much with these Snickers. Shout out to the scent of the day as well. This is Happy by Clinique. It's very it's ideal for spring and I love it very much. As you can see, I've pretty much used it up this past year. Have a nice week or weekend, depend on when you're seeing this. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and share this video. That helped me a lot. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Bisous. Mwah. See you soon.